Just the way I left you guys, I'm back in my house in Nairobi. Good morning. I hope you're all doing well. It's Sunday. I'm back in the house. I'm back in Nairobi. I'm back in Kenya. Anyway, I'm here to show you what I got from UAE. So the day I was leaving, I had packed this small suitcase. But all that changed, and I'm pretty sure I mentioned that. So I'm gonna get what I bought out, and then I start showing you one by one. So let me start with the basics. I bought these bags here that are Dubai. They're called Dubai. They're written Dubai all over. These are for my mom shopping when she's going grocery shopping, those kind of stuffs. So this, I got it for my mom. Or for my sister. I do not know who will take which, but that's how I put it. I also got this bigger one. I think now this will be maybe for my mom. This one is also written Dubai with the camel, so desert, So these two bags, I got one at 20 dirham, another one at 10 dirham. Okay, let's put that aside. On to the next thing. I got some things. I don't know. This is something I'll just be wearing in the house. This is what? Okay, we can do it right now. I hope this is gonna work a little bit longer. So I got this one at 5 dirham, I think. Mutumba ya Dubai. This was from Dubai Mutumba. I'm not really a fan of shopping at Mutumba, so I didn't do my best, but this is what I got. Doesn't look bad considering I'll just be wearing it in the house. Yeah, this is what I got. I can be wearing this with a short. Let me get it out because it's hot. Oh, I also got the dress I'm wearing, you guys. I also got the dress I'm wearing. It was, I think, 10 dirham, if I'm not wrong. It was, I think, 10 dirham. Yeah, the dress I'm wearing, the shirt dress. It's really cute. It's small. Yeah, the pink one. I also got these smiley marks. This one, me and my colleague Joshua, we got the same. He got, I think, more. These are 3.95 dirham. How much is that in Kenyan shillings? I think 150 or 190 there. Yeah. Or 90 bob? I don't know, but it's amazing. I wish I could have gotten like 3 of them. I also got this one here from the Dubai Mutumba. I got this one also, 5 dirham. I got this one. I can do this with a trouser, black trouser. There was this lady called Pauline. Pauline chose for me this one. I've never really worn this one, but she chose it and said it will look good. So yeah, I think I'll try it on later. I also got a shirt. All these things were 5 dirham, you guys. I also got this color and respect. Yeah, I've got this one too, written and respect. Yeah, people need to respect people and not call them funny names. I also got, I don't remember if I told you this, I got bui bui. Now there's a day I really wanted to get bui bui, but it was kind of expensive, so I got this one, and I had to call my friend Saif to ask him if it was a good deal, and he was like, yeah, it is, take 2 or 3, but because I'm not Muslim, so I just took one. This is bui bui. Okay, I also got these were also 5 dirham. What are they called? I think these I'll give my dad. I don't know. I think I'll give them to my dad. Vest, they're called vest. I got socks. These were 5 dirham. How many? 1, 2, 3 for my dad. Socks for my dad. I can't find. There's another pair that I can't find. I also got this one. These were how much? I think 5 black socks. These were, I think, also 5 dirham. 5 or what? I think 5. On to the next thing. On to the next thing, darling. I got this one here. This is a throw blanket now. It's so warm. And I know this thing here in Nairobi, I'll get it at maybe 5,000 if I'm not wrong, because of how heavy it is and how huge it is. 5,000, because let me show you my throw blanket there. I got it at 3,800. Another one I got it at 2,500, and this one, how much was it? 20 dirham. That's like 1,000. I don't know. Let me see if it's it was a good deal considering how soft it is. It's a good deal, you guys. So I got this one. This one I can even use it on my bed. This is amazing. It was a good deal. Let me throw it there so that we continue. Now. Those of you who know me know I can never get out of a place without chocolates. And Dubai chocolates, as much as they were a bit expensive, I bought Dubai chocolate. These were how much? These are 15 dirham. 15 dirham, you guys. I can't wait to test these chocolates. Everybody, when I was seeing people going to Dubai, people were getting Dubai chocolates. I just had to get them. So I got Dubai chocolates. I got these ones too. These are chocolates, you guys. These are chocolates. God, my teeth. I got these are chocolates. There's another one here which I've already opened. This is also a chocolate. This was 11 dirham. This 11 dirham. This is also 11 dirham. There's another one too. I also got this Haribo. These are Happy Cola. Well, let's open this one. I can't see the price, but I think they were like 7 dirham. $10 dirham. These are chocolates too. I haven't tested, but I know they are chocolates. More chocolates. More chocolates. More chocolates. This one I opened when I was in Dubai. Well, more chocolates. I can't remember how much these were, but these are 4 dirham each. Well, I love these garments. Okay, I also got Arabian spray. It's so hard for me to pronounce the name, so I don't know the name, but they smell amazing. They smell amazing. I already unboxed them when I was in Dubai because I didn't want to come with the bulky things to Nairobi. So I unboxed this one here. Another one is this one here. There's another one. This is Ayara. I've never used these ones, you guys. Actually, I've never used these Arabian sprays. I think my camera is out of charge. Let me charge it a little bit and then I'll show you. But for the sprays, you now know where I got. There are so many. So these are from Bath and Body Works. There are more still. Let's put them back. What's another thing from Bath and Body? Oh, also these are from Bath and Body, you guys. Now these are heavy. These are lotion. Got this one. Okay, this one here. Let me just show you like this because I'm kind of tired, you guys. So all these are from Bath and Body. This one here, these I got like many pieces. And there's another one here. There's another one still here. So these plus the other one I've already shown you, these are from Bath and Body. Yeah. Okay, let's put them back. And to the next thing from Victoria's Secret. When I say Victoria's Secret, the first thing that comes to my mind is lingerie, but I didn't buy lingerie, you guys. I did not get any lingerie. So this is what I got, body scrubs. Let me put them back. I got how many pieces? Yeah, several pieces. Another thing I got is from Sephora. From Sephora, there were lots and lots and lots of things. Makeup brush. These are from Sephora. I think that's all I got. I think, you guys, that's all I got from Dubai. I now need to arrange them, put them well or safe. Now I know I need to have friends from UAE. I need to have friends from UAE because these ones, they smell amazing. They smell amazing.